Over time, car headlights can become cloudy and dull because of oxidation. This makes it hard to see clearly when you drive at night. There are simple methods to make your headlights clear and safe for driving. Lemon helps clean oxidized headlights because its natural acid breaks down dirt and cloudy buildup. Cleaning oxidized headlights with baking soda and lemon is a simple and natural method. First, cut a lemon in half and pour some baking soda onto the cut side. The baking soda will bubble slightly when it touches the lemon juice. Rub the lemon directly onto the headlight in small circles. Keep rubbing for a few minutes to remove the cloudy layer. If needed, add more baking soda to the lemon and continue cleaning for better results. The mixture works like a gentle scrub to clean the surface. After that, wipe the headlight with a clean, damp cloth. Then pour the water to clean all the dirt. This easy method can make your headlights look clearer and brighter. Colgate toothpaste helps clean oxidized headlights by gently scrubbing away dirt and foggy layers. First, take a container of water and mix it with some dishwashing liquid. Use this soapy water to clean the oxidized headlight and remove all the dirt and residue. Next, apply toothpaste directly onto the headlight for deeper cleaning. Then, scrub the headlight with a toothbrush for about 10 minutes to help remove the oxidation. Scrubbing the headlight with a toothbrush and toothpaste helps remove dirt and oxidation gently. Then, use a microfiber cloth to wipe and clean the surface even more. After that, take a wet sponge and scrub the headlight again for another 10 minutes. This helps remove any remaining dirt and buildup. After cleaning, you will see that your oxidized headlight looks clean and shiny. Baking soda is a gentle scrub that helps remove dirt and oxidation from headlights. Pour some baking soda onto a damp sponge to clean your oxidized headlight. Start by wetting the headlight with water to remove loose dirt. Then begin scrubbing the headlight in small circles using the sponge. Make sure to cover the entire surface of the headlight. If needed, add more baking soda and continue scrubbing. Keep scrubbing for a few minutes to break down the oxidation. After scrubbing, rinse the headlight with clean water. This simple method can help make your headlight look clear and bright again. Vinegar helps clean oxidized headlights by breaking down cloudy buildup and removing dirt. Take a bowl and add some baking soda into it. Then, pour in some vinegar. Mix it well until it becomes a thick paste. Now your cleaning paste is ready. Apply the paste to a microfiber cloth and scrub it onto the oxidized headlight. Scrub for 10 to 15 minutes to remove all the dirt and residue. Baking soda and vinegar make a powerful natural cleaner that gently removes oxidation without damaging the headlight surface. After that, spray Windex Original Glass Cleaner on the headlight to remove any remaining dirt and grime. Wipe it with a clean microfiber cloth to finish the job. It leaves the headlight surface clear and shiny, improving visibility. Now your oxidized headlight is clean, shiny, and free from dirt. Candle wax helps fill small scratches on headlights and creates a smooth, shiny layer for better clarity. To clean an oxidized headlight, start by using a candle. Light the candle with a match or lighter and let it melt slightly. Carefully apply the melted wax near the headlight, letting it drip onto the surface. Spread it over the entire headlight to form a thin layer. Then, apply toothpaste over the wax for deeper cleaning. Take an aluminum foil sheet and scrub the headlight gently for 10 to 15 minutes to help remove dirt and oxidation. Next, apply measuring tape around the edges of the headlight. This protects the car's paint and keeps the work area clean. Now, take a piece of grit sandpaper and sprinkle some water over the headlight and sandpaper. Scrub the surface gently for 10 minutes to remove dirt and buildup. Then, take another sandpaper, sprinkle water on it again, and scrub the headlight for 5 more minutes to make it shine. After scrubbing, pour clean water on the headlight to rinse off any stains and use your hand to rub it clean. Now, Apply a fresh layer of toothpaste onto the headlight. Take the sandpaper again and scrub for 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle water once more, rinse off all the paste, and clean the headlight with a cloth or sponge. Finally, remove the measuring tape from around the headlight. For the last step, take auto headlight restoration liquid and pour it into a tin can. Seal the top of the can with measuring tape, then make a small hole in the center using a knife. Insert a small pipe or tube into the hole. Gently heat the bottom of the can with a tool or lighter. As the liquid turns to vapor, direct the pipe toward the headlight and let the vapor cover it evenly. This method helps the restoration liquid spread smoothly and brings a clear, shiny finish to the headlight. So, by applying these methods and using these products, you can clean oxidized headlights.